Why not? I've tried. Amazing.
10 किलो का cucumber. What is trying to do? Can I try one?
आपका हार्ट ब्लास्ट हो जाएगा.
Seriously. There is a milestone over here. What it is? Let's take it out. Oh, nothing is written in the milestone.
So welcome to the second part of North Sikkim village hike. I am exploring the village Kussong, which is situated in Dzongu district of North Sikkim. It is an absolute virgin place. इसका part 1 link मैं दे दूंगी description में, so do check it out. So ये part 2 में हम लोग explore करेंगे all those village houses and वहाँ के अतरंगी fruits and vegetables and everything. So enjoy the video. अब देखते रहिए, बहुत मजा आने वाला है.
देखो ये फायरबॉल चिली सिक्किम में बहुत फेमस है.
Fireball chilies?
वेरी फेमस. वेरी तीखा होता है. यहाँ से हो जाएगा.
Can I try one?
अभी बन जाएगा. दुकान ये चुई. आपका हार्ट ब्लास्ट हो जाएगा.
Seriously?
सीरियसली
थोड़ा सा?
थोड़ा सा भी नहीं कर सकते. अरे कुछ हुआ तो फिर
बस हो गया कर्मा.
मैं फिर क्या जवाब दूँ फिर आपको.
Karma ji is not sure if I can try this fireball chilies.
घर में मैं जब जाओ घर में you can try it at home.
Okay. ठीक है.
सब कुछ है. मेडिसिन के आपको कुछ हुआ तो हम दे सकते हैं. कौन कैरी करेगा फिर यहाँ से. ठीक
है. Done. तो कर्मा जी is not sure, so उन्होंने बोल दिया है कि यहाँ नहीं, कहीं और ट्राई करें, घर में ट्राई करेंगे. मैंने बोला ठीक है चलो. इतना टशन नहीं दिखाते.
After the chili experience, I was quite fascinated by the way they used to stack these corns on their courtyard. It looks amazing. Karmaji has also given me a demonstration on this entire corn, how they use it.
वो येलो कलर का है. वो गवर्नमेंट ने दिया है. काइंड ऑफ हाइब्रिड.
अच्छा.
ओके. सो ये हमारा इधर का ये लोकल का ये हमारा का.
ओके. द व्हाइट वन इज द लोकल वन. ओके. और वो
भी होता है.
अच्छा
होता है. ये उतना स्वीट नहीं होता है.
अच्छा. तो उसका क्या आप लोग मतलब वो पाउडर बनाते हो, मतलब जो कॉर्न फ्लावर जो होता है?
हाँ, कॉर्न फ्लावर. यस. कॉर्न फ्लावर बना सकते हैं. भुट्टा यू कैन कुछ मिक्स करके भी खा सकते हैं.
Guys, if you can see this thing, this is called tree tomatoes. Karma ji has asked me if I want to try. I said yes. So he's going to ask the owner if she allows. Then I'm going to try this tree tomatoes. You can see how it looks like. The red one are ripened ones.
हाँ, you can pluck and you can ये आप ये कर सकते हैं. आप खुद ही आके
अच्छा.
आप yes.
Okay, so she has given the permission to take one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The tree tomatoes, right, Karma ji?
खाएंगे जैसे सी. इसको बाहर करेंगे. then you squeeze it.
अच्छा. Okay, so this is how you.
बहुत मीठा है. आप भी ट्राई कर लो.
So Karma ji has shown me how to eat it. So I'll try to eat. So okay.
Then I need to squeeze it.
Yes.
This tastes incredible, yeah. This is not like normal tomatoes like that. It's.
You guys can see? It's incredible.
It's sweet and sour at the same time.
Why not? I've tried. Amazing.
Okay, so Karma ji has taught me 2 language. That is one namaste, which means khamri. So khamri and tokchi, which means thank you for the tree tomato. Thank you tokchi for the tree tomato, right, Karma ji? Yes. So 2 language I've learned from him. I need to journal it on my book. Exactly.
Like they will give. हाँ, इतना बड़ा भी क्यूकम्बर हो सकता है. There are different kind of like cucumber.
ये फार्म है ना आपका? ये चिकन का. Hello. So I've come here to show you guys something amazing, something extraordinary that I've never seen. Can you guys see this fruit? Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is a cucumber. I can show you the smaller one, then you can understand. So this is the smaller one. तो यहाँ का जो cucumber है इतना बड़ा बनता है, लौकी जैसा लंबा बन जाता है. So they make vegetable, you know, dishes out of it, or whichever is not ripened, they eat it. I also experienced one. Look at Karmaji, what he is trying to do.
इतना भारी cucumber देखिए, almost more than 10 kilo.
हाँ 10 किलो तो हाँ होगा ही, 10 किलो तो होगा.
10 किलो का cucumber.
This is incredible, man. ये तो मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं है. This is very 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 rare. These are the like जो पके नहीं है वो वाला, और जो पक गए हैं उसको कर्मा जी अपना कंधे में लेके जाना चाहते हैं.
चलो इसको ट्राई करो.
हाँ. So ये नॉर्मल जो क्यूकम्बर हम लोग को यहाँ पे मिलता है, दैट इज, बट दिस इज एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी. इतना 10 किलो का क्यूकम्बर. सो दिस इज द क्यूकम्बर विच आई एम गोना ट्राई. आई हैव ऑलरेडी ट्राइड वंस एट कर्माजीज प्लेस. दैट वाज ह्यूज. आई वाज कंफ्यूज व्हाट आई वाज ईटिंग. सो आप आधा करो उसको, मुझे थोड़ा सा दो.
हम तो थोड़ा देंगे, थोड़ा बोलने से थोड़ा मत बोले मेरे सामने.
तो थोड़ा बोला उनको, थोड़ा सा इतना सा मिलेगा मुझे. So yes, after that sweet fruit, it's time for some big cucumbers. आज तो बाहर पेट भर जाएगा हम दोनों का. रेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं.
Okay.
I was just telling कर्मा जी, मेरे को जाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है घर. I just want to get stuck here. This village is again extraordinarily beautiful. That has taken my heart. You can see right behind me the Kussong village. Beautiful, serene place with very few people. I really don't want to talk. हम कहाँ जाने वाले थे कर्मा जी? I don't know, I have just become like jungly kind of thing I'm doing, and I'm liking it, you know. Wow. So this place is a sacred place. This is called Guru Rinpoche's statue over here. So they offer prayer over here, and yeah, feeling extremely peaceful and divine coming to this place. There's flags all over. A delight to eyes at every corner in Kussong village, starting from the nature to the places, the people, the homes. There are very few places, like very few houses over here, not even 20 houses. And then this statue, the sacred statue, they worship here. And so almost done with Kussong village. I'm heading towards Tingwong again, and maybe a few more surprises that are waiting for me on the way. A place which is sacred, a place which is full of the beauty of nature, a place which brings you closer to nature, a place which reconnects you with the nature, a place where you can find yourself, the soul, the lost soul. Simply amazing, incredible experience at Kussong village. I can hear only the sound of waterfall, falling trees, tree leaves. Yes, it's falling. The flags flapping, my footsteps. मैं वो गाना गा दूं? खो गए हम कहाँ, सच्ची में खो गए. लग रहा है कोई और दुनिया में आ गए है, कोई दूसरा दुनिया. Some other world have come, completely disconnected with the rest of the world. Trust me, guys. As I've mentioned, like my watch is not working. There's no network of Vodafone here, so no net, no network. Completely close to nature. A solid detox, man. A solid detox that happened to me. So guys, if you want to watch more such videos on my channel, keep subscribing this channel, press the red button, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you never miss a video every time I post it. There is a milestone over here. What it is? Let's take it out. Oh, nothing is written in the milestone.